Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to enable AI Live Subtitles for any video on the INFINIX Note 60 Pro. So if you want to have subtitles on videos that don't have them, for example, or you want to have translated subtitles, I'm going to show you how to enable them. So here I have a video, under 600 best hidden features. And let's say this video doesn't have subtitles. Well, it does, but for the sake of the argument, let's say it doesn't. So if you want to enable the subtitles for this video, all we need to do is just tap on one of the volume buttons, so up or down, and then it's going to open up this little menu right here. So let me just wait for this to disappear. So tap again. Here as you can see we have this menu, and we're going to tap on the icon on the bottom, this one. And now if we start the video, it's going to show us the subtitles on the bottom. So let me just mute the video. And you can drag the subtitles anywhere on the screen. You can tap on them to open up more settings. You can even resize them like that. And then the fun part, you can change the language. So you click on that icon, click Add a Language, and you have many other languages. So we can, for example, download this one for the live captions. So we're just going to download. And once that's done downloading, it's going to start translating the subtitles into German. So let me just enable the feature again. It might be a little buggy depending on the quality of the video audio. Let's try it again, and as you can see, it's also in beta, but it does somewhat work. And that is pretty much it for this video. If you want to delete the subtitles of your screen, just drag them all the way down like that, and it's going to remove them. And that's it for this video. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.